Hello guys, this is Amal and this is my Arduino alarm system. So right now I have it hooked up to my laptop, which has the code of it as well. And right now this green LED indicates that it's active and that triggering it would ring the alarm. This switch can turn on or off the alarm system or deactivate it. But when it's active, these two wires are basically equivalent to triggering the alarm. So as you can see, the green light turned off, you have got red lights flashing all over the place, and you have a buzzer. So you can do anything with any of these wires, nothing's gonna happen. You can try using this, nothing happens. The only way you can deactivate this is with the included reset button. Then after that, it like flashes all the LEDs and beeps a buzzer just like a self test. And if you have this off and you touch these together, nothing happens. It only works if this is turned on. Yes, guys, that's my alarm system. I've put a link to all of the schematics and the code in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like the video, sub to my channel, and I'll see you later.